Welcome back, YouTube. Back on the Escort. Been a long time coming. If a few of you haven't seen this car, nip a few videos back. Show you around it with roll cage. Bit cold in garage, as you can see. Ben's here with me. Ben's a painter by trade, so he's taking over the final, well, not the final stages. Ben's done pretty much a lot of the filler work on the car previously. Between me and him, mostly Ben, bits me, we've got through all the body. He's come here now, flattening down the primer. Any low spots, we're just giving it a dolphin glaze. So I'll quickly show you around the car. So a few of you who haven't seen it, it's a lot of work racing, a wing, top repairs. My mate Phil did them. We put wings on it, front panel. It's just literally extensive welding. The cage were done by Sam at Arc. If you go back a few videos, like I said, you'll see that. So final skin bearer, dolphin glaze. Dolphin glaze is like a self-leveling compound by, who makes it, Ben? U-Pol?
U-Pol, this one, yeah.
U-Pol. So again, bit on the wing tops. If anyone's worked on an Escort, they'll understand how flimsy these wing tops are. If anyone leans on it, I'll put a dent in. But yeah, it's coming to shape, so hopefully these are the last few bits of filler. I'm going to get another eye build prime and hopefully paint it over this Christmas.
All being well.
All being well. So it is 6-linked, tugged, turreted, coilovers at the rear. It's had a new firewall, dash bar, priorities, cup holder. So yeah, hopefully it should come together. Now what I'm doing is I punched some holes in the front panel and I made a right ash up of it. As you see, some of them are a bit all over the place. As you can see, I've not had much room, so I'm trying to sit in garage door, trying to mark it. My own fault. I should have pushed car back, pulled it out, give me some more time and made me some more effort. So what I'm doing now is I've cut another piece. I'm going to put these in. So I'm going to press all these out, because what these do, you have these little trinkets. You can actually get these with cutters built in, but what you do, you basically cut your hole out. Here's one I prepared earlier. Then you put this trinket in, slot it on, and you can actually nut and bolt them and they'll pull them together. But what I'm going to do is I've got a little press under there, so I'm just going to press them. So let's give us a whirl. So again, like I said, just slot them under here. You'll see it bend the steel. You can straighten all the steel after. If you look, it bends it, and then you'll see the steel drop back. Like that, because race car. So yeah, just like I said, I was going to cut this out and just replace it with this new piece. So I'll cut this last section out, which should be good. There it is, sports fans. There it is. Trim her up. Yeah, get that buzzed in. Just like that. Get trimming up to do it there. Why I've left this bit before any of you ask, it's profiled round under, it actually bends under, so if I MIG it ever so gently we can keep that lower curve profile. If not, we'd have to put that curve and then MIG it, and then it would look scruffy underneath. You just want to be right, so I think this is probably the best approach. Does it fit better upside down because it makes noise? No, definitely fits better that. So I'll trim it up. Kill it then.
Swanky.
I know I ain't showing you welding it in, but yeah, took it careful, did little sections at a time to keep it there, but yeah, it's all MIG'd in, really happy with that, so a lot better. I'm going to get that flap disc back and 80 it and see what it looks like. So there it is, flap back, miles better. So happy with that. Then it's just going to give it a light dolphin over and a block, but yeah, miles better. Sorted my balls up out. Now just a little job here from when we had bolting cage. Just put a couple of fillet pieces in there. Just going to fill these holes up and again flat disc it back. Both sides, obviously. So that's them done. What I'm going to do now is this. I've made it over gauge. I made little stabiliser pieces, you'll probably see why. You can see, more clips in. So that's actually out of back seat of the Vectra. And I've made it to fit there on the dash, which although's a really good position, there's really not a great deal there and it's ideal. I'm thinking of mounting it underneath onto the bottom of the cross tube. So just wondering if it's going to be in way of a gear stick. I don't know. With the drinks. If Ben mounts it high, it's going to be a bit lower than that, but no. Should have. Yeah, no, I'm going to cut that down and trim it up and then weld it to the cage. So that's it's MIG'd on. You'll have to bear in mind we would have got this nice and smooth and just welded all flush flat, but I've only got 0.6 welding wire, ran out of 0.8, and trying to get it into the temperature of these, it was just snagging back to the tip. I think I've changed sort of wire feed out about five or six times and I just got pissed off, so we'll just give it a light skim. It's not going to do anything, it's not exactly structural, so as long as it's strong enough to hold 2 large of the finest Pepsis from McDonald's. There we go. Winner. So it's about nice and chamfered around the edges, slight skimmer fill up to the cage just to fill that, which is factory Bobby Dazzler. Always knock your bottle off. Well, I know no gas when we need it. Yeah, we're having to pump it up about 160 amp, chucking about 160 amp through 0.6 wire. It just weren't the best. Ben's give the speed holes the old Dolphin. So again, he's put a couple of skims on them back tubs where I've MIG'd holes up. So tonight we've done the holes, the dash, the front panel. Ben's been around and blocked pretty much everything. I didn't know you had to put a bit in this quarter top, Ben.
Yeah, a little bit. Bit of a wave there.
You're not even going to see this when roof's on, you perfectionist.
Got pictures in it when it's painted.
Yeah. So, yeah, no, happy with it. I think it's a garage clean job tomorrow, but yeah, there it is. So hopefully next episode we'll be loading it onto a truck. We'll get it over to the paint shop. I think it's... Are you priming it here or are you going to prime it there?
Prime it at work.
Going to prime it there.
Yeah, I'll prime it there.
And prime it at work. His work. Well, yeah, there it is. So, thank you for coming back and having a look. Seeing our Fandabby Dozy Bobby Dazzler of a cup holder. It's the best bit of car, really. Priorities, isn't it?
Makes it, doesn't it?
Definitely makes it cup holder. But yeah, thanks for coming. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time when we're taking it paint shop.